Melissa has been a light to me and to our family and to so many others. She's been such an example of faith and integrity and commitment. I've learned the meaning of depths of love because of her, and I'm forever grateful to God for what He's given me in Melissa. And I'm grateful for how she has been a mentor to many others as well, how she's spoken into the lives of so many of our youth kids, not just our own. She's been a great mother, friend, and companion, and I'm forever been changed because of her.
I love Eric's servant's heart and how he is always looking to do things for others. He has this way of making everyone he meets feel loved. He's an amazing father and has poured out his life not only for our own sons, but for so many other kids, those who are fatherless, those whose dads have let them down, or who are absent. And he also created the famous Tabota sandwich, and so many of our current and former adoptive kids have been recipients of that. We just put them in the middle of us and squeeze them with a giant hug and say, "Tabota sandwich." And years later, they still ask to sit in the middle. He loves me well and has taken care of me and given me an amazing life and home.